Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Motorola E7 Plus. So in this video, let's unbox this stellar stock indoor experience under 10k. We're gonna also share the impressions at the end part of this video. We're also sharing the setup process / migration process from the old device. So make sure to check the timestamps in the video description. So without further any ado, let's get started. So guys, this is the Flipkart box. So I ordered it from Flipkart, which is a Flipkart exclusive for 9499 on the first sale itself. So let's quickly remove the extra heavy Flipkart packaging from this device. So sellotapes everywhere. So this is the box, which is nice dark blue box of Motorola logo. And you can see it clearly says the 48 megapixel camera system with 5000 mAh of battery and octa-core processor. There's some regular information to the left, and the main focus here is the night vision camera, which we're going to discuss, and the octa-core processor for this price. This is the only stock Android device experience under 10k, I would say, rather than this Nokia C series, which is not that good. So let's bring an unnecessary black scissor and cut the Motorola seal off. Cutting the Motorola seal off from all the sides will get us to the opening the lid, and there's the phone itself, which is very large because it's a 6.5-inch phone, and it comes in this nice Twilight orange. The other option is Twilight blue, but this orange is also good. I will prefer the blue one, but I ordered the orange one just to check how it is. So you have some regular leaflet inside it, which we are not going to use now. We have the standard charger, which is not a fast charger. This is a normal charger, as you can see. The power supply rating is on your screen. And you have the SIM ejector tool nicely wrapped in the plastic, which is good. And you have the USB cable, which is sadly micro USB. So no USB-C here. So there seems to be some cost cutting here. So let's keep all things to the side and let's first of all boot the device. So as you can see, Twilight orange, nice. This is a plastic build definitely, but doesn't feel cheap either. So that's nice. Let's boot it up for the first time. And it gave the haptic feedback. Now let's try to remove the plastic cover or the screen guard, and you can see nice black Motorola logo. While it boots up, let's discuss some specifications. So it comes with a Snapdragon 460 octa-core processor with the Adreno 610 GPU. Sadly, there's no gyroscope sensor here, no 5 GHz Wi-Fi support, and the camera here is 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel depth sensor as well as 8 megapixel front. So let's set up this device. So as you can see, I have just clicked restore from the old device and I got this option. Now I will just go to the old device, launch the Google Assistant and say set up my device. So as you can see, a new menu popped up. Let's get started. Now it will search for new devices via Bluetooth, and then they will share the hotspot ID and will connect, or maybe they will do through the Wi-Fi. So let's see what happens. Let's try to connect. So as you can see, now the number code is being shared, so they are matching the shapes and number. So confirm copy to your new device, accept yes. Now you're going to enter the pin in your old device. Once you do this, it's copying our data, and on the new phone it says continue to your old device. So almost finished. So you can see how seamless the transfer was, so that's good. Now getting account information on this device. So after some time, as you can see, now it is asking me for my old phone lock. So I'm gonna enter the password and it will ask me to what to restore. So we're gonna hit everything: apps, SMS, device password, call history, as well as Google Calendar, photos, Gmail is already backed up. So it is restoring. It's gonna take some time, so just a second, adding some finishing touches. So overall, the phone is a little hefty, It's nice, but okay. Motorola, about your privacy, accept and continue. Let's click let's go and allow the location access, and because this is the default, so I will allow all the time. Okay, there you have it. The navigation menu of the Android 10 is here. So let's see what's next. Give it a try. So let's swipe up the home screen and see what the wallpaper is also transferred from the old device. So this is the old device wallpaper, as well as some icons are also transferred. So Vidget is loading. As you can see, all my messages is already here, which is good. Now let's see apps is installed or not. So one page of apps, very good, no bloatware, but our apps is not yet restored, it seems. So okay, it's completing setup, so it will definitely download all things from Play Store. Now let's begin with the impressions. So guys, today is the second day with the Moto E, and this is a very good value for money stock Android smartphone you can get right now. So with my initial day, I'm really happy with this device. I actually bought this for my dad, and it offers everything that they need. Probably the first thing is the incredible display. Now why I'm telling incredible, because this is a 720p display, but it's really bright, and the colors are accurate, the viewing angles are top notch, and it has notch as well. So actually I compared it with my Mi A2, which is a full HD 16K phone, and this display was much crisper and brighter than my Xiaomi Mi A2. So that's surprising that this is a 9.5K smartphone, which is a very good display. And you can see sound. So sound is also incredibly loud, and it has that bass as well. So amazing display, amazing sound. In this price segment, it's really good. The sound is very good. Like, it's bright, it's louder, as well as it has that bass, which is very good, as you can see. So very good display, very good bass, 6.5 inch of top-notch display, so it's immersive experience to watch movies and videos on YouTube, and it runs stock Android, so no ads in the UI. You are getting the latest and greatest Android again offer right now, which is the Android 10. So let's go to about the device, system Android 10. So again, as you can see, so basically you also have features, AI features like adaptive performance, which increases RAM efficiency and help apps to open faster with the on-device AI learning. So it has all the Google apps. So Dio, you have Assistant, you have YouTube Music. So YouTube Music is not uninstallable. So I think this is the next Play Music alternative, because I'm not able to install YouTube Music. But other Google apps I was able to install. Now there's two Motorola apps. That's the only bloatware there. I won't say bloatware because the app is really good. So if you go to M, so you can see the Moto app, and it brings really good features, like you can see lift to unlock. You can personalize with the icons, shapes, you can add styles to it. Of course, you can select wallpapers. There's a lot of gestures, which we will talk about soon. So again, as you can see, top-notch experience, very good help UI. For the price, I can't really complain about it. Now, first of all, the good features I'm talking about, there's a direct Google Assistant button, okay? And this seems to be very underrated, but my dad is using this more, because for example, he just clicks once, Namaste.
नमस्ते लाल, सुबह के 11:15 बज रहे हैं। अभी मुंबई में तापमान 31 है, धुंध की संभावना है। आज अधिकतम तापमान 33 और न्यूनतम तापमान 25 के अनुमान के साथ थोड़े बादल छाए रहेंगे। मौजूदा नमी के कारण ऐसा लग रहा है कि तापमान 38 है। आपका दिन मंगलमय हो। यह रही ताजा खबरें आज तक से, आज सुबह के 9:15 पर।
नमस्कार, आप सुन रहे हैं आज तक हेडलाइंस।
So you can see how informative this thing was. And if my dad is confused with some feature or he wants to listen to some music, he can just tap this button. This is very good, because OK Google doesn't work most of the times, as you know. So in that way, with the Hindi language support with all Google, so you can directly dial to the Dio through the dialer app makes everything so easy, because my whole family I have kept in stock Android ecosystem, which means that no ads, all Google apps supported, directly calling from Dio. You have latest and greatest Android updates and security, and this is the reason why I went with the Moto E7 Plus. But if you want greater performance and if you want a very good camera, definitely go with the Narzo 20A, the Realme Narzo 20A, because the camera here is okay, I would say. Now, camera brings really great features. So the selfie camera is really good. But the 48 megapixel is not that good. Let me show you some images that I shoot with it. So you can see the 48 megapixel is nice, but it's not that I would say contrast heavy. It's not that, because sometimes the images come blurry. So 48 megapixel and image is not brighter at all. Same photo I shoot with my Mi A2. It was much brighter and crisper because of Sony sensor. So using Samsung sensor, so don't expect great camera performance. But surprisingly, the selfie camera was really good. I was surprised with the selfie camera. Let me give you some camera samples. As you can see, the selfie camera is wide. Both the cameras are wide, which is very good. But the selfie camera is nice, crisp and clear, as you can see. So I like the selfie camera more. But I would say this is too much noisy, right? The selfie camera, as I said, is very good. The front camera is not that good. I mean, it's okay, I would say, for normal shots. So if you want camera and gaming performance, definitely go with these Realme Narzo 20A. But if you want stock Android, you want amazing Moto features, which we're going to discuss now, definitely go with the Moto E7 Plus. We have best of Google, best of stock Android. And I will suggest you to keep all your phone to stock Android, because it's easy to upgrade. As you saw, the transition process, the backup and restore features was so much good. Now let's talk about the Moto features, which includes first of all, raise to wake. So as you wake your phone, you can see this very nice transition animation, which will give you notifications and glance. You also have chop for flashlight. You also have the Google Assistant button. You have adaptive performance, and the RAM management is really good. So basically you can see, for example, I go to Chrome right now. As you can see, you can't believe this is a 9K phone, because earlier I have used Moto G, and this is a greater upgrade than that device, to be honest. You have two colors, so I picked with this orange one. And again, this is the Snapdragon 460. So again, don't expect this 400 series, don't expect great performance, because I saw some choppiness even when playing Candy Crush. Of course, it handles games very well, but don't expect great performance because there's a large display. But the 5000 mAh of battery is really good. So now this is the second day, so I couldn't test the battery that much. So if you want all that stuff in the full review, definitely let me know in comments down below, because if you know, our review is mostly 25 to 30 minutes long, and I make reviews only after a month of using the device. So if you want in-depth review, then definitely let me know in comments down below. So overall, at 9,500 rupees, this is a great value for money you can get right now in stock Android. If you want performance in camera, go ahead with the Realme Narzo 20A. If you want stock Android experience, if you want best of Google, the best of AI, and very good display, the good sound quality, definitely go with the Moto E7 Plus. So that's pretty much for this video. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.